Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can add birthdays to your iPhone calendar. So it's pretty simple. First you want to add the person on your contact and have their birthday saved as well. So what you want to do is click on the phone icon at the bottom left and click on the plus at the top right. Now you need to enter the person's name first. After you enter the person's name, click on add phone and add their phone number. Once you add their phone number, you want to scroll a bit down and you will see add birthday. Click on add birthday and choose when their birthday is. After you choose when their birthday is, basically what you need to do is click on where it says done at the top right. Once you click on done, the person's birthday and their mobile number is going to be added. Once that's done, you want to go inside your calendar app. From over here, you want to go inside where it says calendar at the bottom of your screen. Once you click in calendars, over here where it says birthday, tick mark it. Once that's tick marked, click on done at the top. Once you click on done, the person's birthday is going to be added on your calendar, and when the person's birthday arrives, you will get notified. That is how we guys can add birthday to iPhone calendar. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time. Until then, have a nice day.